Today we're talking about very interesting development in clean energy. A company called RAG Austria AG is building a record-breaking photovoltaic system in Hamm, Germany, and this project includes around 8,500 solar modules. This is a big step forward in which we produce electricity using the power of the sun. Let's break it down in very simple words. First of all, what is photovoltaic system? A photovoltaic system, also known as solar power system, is a setup that converts sunlight into electricity. It uses solar panels, and each panel is made up of many solar modules. When sunlight hits these modules, they produce electrical energy. This energy can be used in homes, factories, schools, and even whole cities. Now in this project in Hamm, the company is installing around 8,500 solar modules. That is a huge number. And when so many panels work together, they can produce a huge amount of electricity. This makes the system record-breaking, meaning it is one of the biggest or more powerful of its kind in that region. The main goal of this project is to generate clean and renewable energy. Clean energy means electricity that does not pollute the air or harm the environment. Unlike coal or oil, solar energy does not produce smoke or carbon emission. This is very important because the world is facing problems like climate change and rising temperature. Another important point is that this kind of project helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like coal, gas, and oil are limited and eventually run out. They also cause pollution, but sunlight is free and will be available, so solar energy is like a long-term solution for future energy needs. This project in Hamm is also insight of how fast solar technology is growing. A few years ago, solar systems were small and more expensive, but now, with better technology and larger installation like this one, solar energy is becoming more efficient and more affordable. Countries and companies are investing more in renewable energy because it is both environmentally friendly and economically smart. Large projects like these also create benefits for local areas. During construction, they provide jobs for engineers, technicians, and workers. After completion, they help supply stable energy to the grid. In some cases, they can even reduce electricity costs in the long run. Another interesting thing is that solar farms like this do not take away from daily life. They are usually built in open fields or unused land. So instead of leaving land empty, it is used to produce clean energy for thousands of homes. However, building such large system is not easy. It requires planning, investment, and proper technology. Engineers have to make sure the panels are placed at the right angle to catch maximum sunlight. They also need systems to distribute the electricity efficiently. Overall, this project shows how the world is moving forward to the greener future. Solar energy is no longer just an alternative. It is becoming a major source of power. In simple words, the Hamm photovoltaic project is a big step towards cleaner air, cheaper energy, and safer environment for future generations. My opinion is that this is a very positive move because it shows real action against climate change. It is also encouraging to see companies investing in renewable energy at such a large scale. In my view, projects like this should be increased in many countries.